hello YouTubers, this is John TPC again. Okay YouTubers, today I'm back with another unboxing. Okay YouTubers, today we're gonna unbox this today we're gonna unbox this Batman vs Superman. Yep. Today we're gonna unbox this Batman vs Superman. And these are the guys that connect. So let's get to the unboxing of this. There's a tape on this. Just take it off. Finally, and I got this thing out. Okay, here's some tape. Yep. Mm-hmm. And so guys, this is what be the yep. I think this is yep. And I think this is Aquaman from Batman vs Superman. Yep, I think this is Aquaman. Yep. Yep, and this Aquaman is like pretty cool. And I said this Aquaman is like very nice. Because Aquaman has like one kind of staff. Yep. Yeah, this is his staff. Yeah, this is his staff. This is Aquaman's staff. His backwards. Yeah. I guess this is like very cool. Actually, oh, and I think you can't move this. Oh, you can move it a little bit, but it doesn't come off. It doesn't slip off his. Yeah, you choose. This is Aquaman from Batman vs Superman. So, no, that's nice. Okay, next I'm gonna unbox this Batman right here. Just like the back of the cover. Got all of this right here. So let's get to the unboxing. But they should put a lot of tape on this. Yep, and they should put a lot of tape on this. Okay, I think I got it now. Yep, I got it. so um okay, YouTubers, yeah, so here in this um, um Batman, yeah, this is Batman right here. If you see right here, if you see right here, this Batman. I think he's one, and this one, how goes Batman's one here, and then how goes this here. So if you see up his chest, he got his Batman. His Batman suit on. You can see his belt, and then like and then like obviously you can see Batman is wearing a coat. You can see Batman is wearing a coat. Yep. You can see that you can move his arms. Oh, you can't move Batman's arms. Oh, you can't move his arms. Nope, you can't move his head. Yeah, so this will be back. Yep. Yep. I got like you're true Batman. I don't know what kind of Batman do I like much better. This one or this one? And yeah, this is will be a Batman right from the new movie Batman vs Superman. Okay, okay, without this, I want to unbox this the Superman right here. The Superman from the new movie Batman vs Superman. I'm gonna unbox this. Yeah, and so just like the back of the box, you can collect all of these figures from the new movie. So let's get to the unboxing of this. legs are open there. Now I got it. Okay. Now Superman's right here. And now I gotta take this part off and got it. Yep, I got it. Yep. And so and this is where Superman. If this is Superman, so you can see this. You can see this S on his chest. You can see this one in the blue, and you can see this one in the blue, and the blue suit. Yep. And this Superman has a very blue eyes. And this Superman has like, and you can see on the back, this Superman has like a black hair, and like you can see this Superman has a black cape on. And this Superman has a black cape. Yep. You can see he's wearing the black. I mean, you can see he's wearing a very red shoe. Yep, he's wearing the two red shoes. And so one thing I like about the Superman, watch this. But one thing that you could, but the one thing that I like about, I mean the one thing I like about Superman, the one thing I like about Superman, the Superman figure, you can like move his legs. Yeah, you can move his legs. and it moves. Does his arms move? Oh. Does his other arms move? No. Only his legs move. Yep. Yep. And so okay, you choose and if you guys like this unboxing and Batman vs Superman, if you guys like this unboxing, what you guys just like give me a thumbs up. If you guys like this Batman vs Superman unboxing, want you just give me a thumbs up, and then like subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more toys unboxing. Okay guys, this is John to see you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.